Is eating peanut butter.
She's
She has a
competing
long
to my
tongue.
dog.
Give her more peanut butter.
She's competing my dog to my dog. Woo. Okay, Lola. Shot Lola too. Let's see who has the biggest tongue, the longest tongue.
I vote Bunny.
Lola, come on. She'll do anything for peanut butter. They're competing.
Lola, Bunny.
They're competing, everybody, to see who has the longest tongue. In fact, it's probably my dog or her dog. Come on, shot it at Lola. K-Beaver 221. K-Beaver 221, show it on Lola. Shot Lola.
Kitty 224.
100 is mine.
No, she's gonna have stinky peanut butter breath.
Okay, K-Beaver 221. Come here.
Put it on Facebook, not YouTube.
No, YouTube.
Okay, bye, Bun Bun. Why do you want more?
Show it to Lola. Show it at Lola. Show Lola.
Bye.
No, show Lola most likely.
Ow.
Okay, let's see her. Who do you think will have the longest tongue?